Imagine you're at a conference surrounded by industry experts, leaders, and peers you admire. You want to approach them, but you freeze, unsure where to begin. Sound familiar? If you've ever felt intimidated or struggled with building genuine, impactful connections, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into the art and science of networking, step by step, action by action, so you can walk into any room and make connections that matter. Networking is more than just exchanging business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about building meaningful relationships that can elevate your career, enrich your knowledge, and open doors to opportunities. And the best part? Anyone can become a skilled networker, even if you're shy or introverted. In this video, we're going to explore what makes networking so powerful, break down proven strategies, and show you how to leverage these skills in different settings. Before we dive into the how-to, let's explore the why. Networking isn't just about landing a job or expanding your professional circle. Studies show that people with strong networks are more successful in their careers, have higher levels of job satisfaction, and even live longer. Here's why. Access to knowledge and insights. Networking connects you to ideas you might not encounter on your own. Enhanced career opportunities. Many jobs and partnerships come through referrals within one's network. Support system for personal growth. Having a network allows you to learn from others' experiences and receive feedback. Effective networking starts long before you walk into a room. It requires preparation, confidence, and a clear understanding of your goals. Here are actionable steps to get started. Define your networking goals. Are you looking for a mentor? Trying to enter a new industry? Clarity in your goals will shape how you approach networking. Craft your elevator pitch. A strong introduction is essential. Work on a brief, engaging statement that explains who you are, what you do, and what you're looking for. Research ahead. Before attending an event, research attendees or companies to identify people you'd like to meet. This makes conversations smoother and shows your interest. All right, you're prepared. Now, it's time to approach people. Here's how you can make a positive first impression. Confidence through body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use an open stance. Start with a warm greeting and smile. Small details, like a genuine smile and relaxed tone, can set the stage for a good connection. Ask thoughtful questions. Instead of starting with, "What do you do?" ask questions like, "What brings you here?" or "What are you passionate about?" These questions are memorable and invite people to share more. Networking is as much about listening as it is about speaking. When you're in a conversation, here's how to keep it flowing and make it meaningful. Practice active listening. Nod, maintain eye contact, and respond thoughtfully to show you're engaged. Add value where you can, share insights, suggest helpful resources, or make introductions that can benefit the other person. Networking is about mutual value. Mirror and match technique. Subtly matching the other person's tone or body language helps build rapport quickly. After a great conversation, don't let the connection fade. Following up is key to solidifying relationships. Here's how. Send a thank you note or message. Within 24 hours, send a brief message to express your appreciation. Add value with follow-ups. Share an article, a podcast, or something relevant to your discussion that they'd appreciate. Stay in touch regularly. Networking isn't a one-time event. Connect periodically through emails or even a quick message on LinkedIn. Networking takes different forms depending on the setting. Let's explore how to approach networking in various scenarios, including conferences and professional events, attend workshops, ask questions during sessions, and join group conversations. Remember, these events are designed for networking. Virtual networking. In today's digital world, virtual networking is essential. Use platforms like LinkedIn for video calls and attend online conferences. Informal settings. Networking doesn't always have to be formal. You can build connections over coffee, at social gatherings, or even in casual settings like the gym. Many people make mistakes when networking. Let's cover a few common pitfalls and how to steer clear of them. Being too focused on yourself. Networking is about mutual benefit, so avoid talking only about yourself. Not following up. A missed follow-up can lead to a missed opportunity. Over networking or burning out. You don't need to connect with everyone. Focus on quality over quantity. Networking is a journey, not a destination. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Remember, set clear goals and prepare yourself. Approach people with confidence and genuine curiosity. Listen actively, add value, and keep the relationship alive through follow-ups. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow. Take these tools, put them into action, and watch your network and opportunities expand. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth career and personal development content. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use these networking strategies in your own life.